Hi guys, this is Jane again. Today we're gonna do the chicken fried rice. Very simple. Okay, let's get started. Okay, today is most ingredient. We need a bowl of rice, 1 cup of chicken, and I put the chicken white and mix out together with the starch, 2 chicken eggs, and there's 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 clove garlic, 1 cup of snow peas, half tablespoon 5 spice, the Chinese spice. You can get any Asian stores, okay? And then there's carrots. I grated carrots. It's like 2 tablespoons. Okay, there's a 1 cup diced carrots, and then half cup green onions. That's all we need. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna put a little oil on the pan. So we're gonna beat eggs well, well. And then I put on the side. Now we're gonna add it up a little cooking oil. Okay, it's like 2 tablespoons. Okay, make sure it's all even. First, we're gonna put spice in, 5 flavor spice, and then we're gonna put the garlic. Then we're gonna put the grated carrots. Make sure they're all smell good. Nice. Now we'll put the chicken in. Medium-high heat. Okay. Now we're gonna add carrots. Okay, snow peas. Very colorful. Beautiful color. And then we're gonna add our eggs. And then we're gonna add our oyster sauce. Smells good. Now we're gonna put our rice. Okay, before we mix them, now we put our yummy soy sauce on top of the rice, okay? Make sure it's on top of the rice. Make sure our color is up there. And then we're gonna start mixing them. Okay, the rice looking good. Okay, we're all done. The last ingredients, we're gonna put half cup of green onion. Got the color and flavor. So we mix all together. Smells so good. Can't wait to eat. Here it is. That's my fried rice. Okay, less than 5 minutes. It's easy to cook and it's really yummy. Okay, let me taste this. Really good, delicious. Hope you guys enjoy the videos and see you guys next time. Thank you.